Hubsan might not be as well known as Holy Stone or even DJI, however, this model is capable of going toe-to-toe against some of the strongest and flexible funding drones available on the market. We have provided links within the box of description below, which are regularly updated to reflect the most competitive prices. The most reliable Hubsan drone that has cameras in our review includes that of the Hubsan Zino Pro, a FPV-powered drone. It is a professional drone equipped with 4K cameras, 3-axis stabilization gimbals with ultra-long transmission range with top-of-the-line long-lasting batteries, as well as a range of convenient modes that avoid crashes, crashing your drone or adjusting its hovering function. The first thing to note is that this drone can provide a flight time of 23 minutes due to the nature of it being equipped with 3S lithium-ion 3000 mAh battery. The battery takes approximately 2.5 hours to completely recharge and is totally rechargeable. Furthermore, the Zino Pro may reach around 10 meters per second flight speeds. It also uses top GPS as well as GLONASS technology to fly and hover constantly and consistently. While it's higher priced than other drones, it's certainly among the best FPV drones Hubsan offers you. Hubsan's X4H502S is a great choice if you're restricted by your budget when looking for a top quality drone. While it's not as durable or flexible as many of the models we've recently reviewed, it's significantly superior to other models, but not the cheapest drones that are available. The drone comes with an integrated GPS which helps position and track. In addition, it supports the auto return home function. It also comes with a built-in HD camera, an altitude hold mode, follow me style, and durable motors with no cord. In terms of functionally based functions, the Hubsan X4H502S gives you 12 minutes of flying time, an extremely fast recharge time, as well as the transmitting range is approximately 200 meters.